Good morning. It is 8:33 a.m. March 17th, 2020. And we're going to be going over Veracrypt, specifically the encryption part of Veracrypt. Now you open up Veracrypt and we're in the series where we're creating an encrypted file container. Then we're creating a standard Veracrypt volume. Then we select over here our little Veracrypt test folder, bada bing bada boom. We call it test because that's what we're doing. We're just testing right now. Then we go here. Now I want you to ignore everything. I want you to ignore everything on this page. We're gonna get to it later. It's gonna be a video down on the line, but we're not gonna talk about any of this except this one right here. And this is where you decide what encryption you want. The first thing I'm going to go over with you guys is what is encryption. Encryption, and the whole point of this program, is to turn, I'm going to use this as an example. We're turning this into this. We're turning information that we can read and understand, information that is meaningful, and then we're going to scramble it into meaningless data. And if we apply a password to this meaningless data, if we apply the Veracrypt program and a password to this meaningless data, boom, it gets transformed back into meaningful information that we can copy and paste and edit and do whatever we need to do. And then we're going to transform it back into meaningless information that nobody knows anything about and can't derive any information from. And that's how we keep it secure. We're just taking data and scrambling it into meaningless nonsense. That is encryption. And it's the ability to turn it into meaningless data, meaningless nonsense, and then transform it back into something that is meaningful. That is what encryption is. Now, in encryption, in the Veracrypt program, we have a lot of options. And we're going to go over each and every single one of these at a later date in a later video. But if you want each one of this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and this guy are all individual. They're all individual encryption algorithms. They are mathematical functions. They are mathematical equations that are designed to turn this into this and then back again. So the first one right here is AES, second one Serpent, third one Two Fish, fourth one Camella, and I can't even pronounce that one, right? So these are all the individual ones. These ones are two encryption programs together, AES and Two Fish, then three, then Serpent and AES. So now we're piling one encryption onto another. And with this one, we're piling three encryptions. We're piling one, two, and then three encryption algorithms all on top of each other. So it's like an onion. We're layering our data. We scramble it with one, then we scramble it with another, and then we scramble it with another. So that's what we got going on. And we got all these mixes right here. We got all this mix up right here. We can select each and any, but I'll go over that at a later date in a later video. So these are our options right here. And this is the option to select your encryption. And I'll talk about selecting one encryption versus two versus three encryption. And I'm going to go over all the individual encryption at a later date. So that's what's going on. Don't worry about tests. Don't worry about benchmarking. Don't worry about the hash algorithm. We're all going to go to that to a later date, but we're not going to do it right now. And that's my video for today. If you like this video or this video is helpful to you, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help the channel out. Appreciate you.